Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to look at how to delete your trim account. Are you ready to delete your trim account? Here's a very quick guide. First step is going to be to open the trim app and log into your account. And once you're logged in, tap the profile icon, or you can just go to settings. Now you're going to look for the option labeled accounts or privacy and security. Then tap on that and then scroll to find delete account or close account. Tap it and Trim will ask you to confirm your decision. This step ensures that you don't delete your account by mistake. Confirm and your account along with your data will all be permanently removed from Trim's system. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible. You will lose access to all your financial summaries, savings goals, and linked accounts. If you're just taking a break, you want to consider logging out instead of deleting. And that's pretty much it on how to delete your Trim account. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to revoke access to a connected bank. So don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.